Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. We were at our display yesterday at the Antique and Variety Mall down at in Plattsburgh on Margaret Street, and in our display was a bag. So I wanted to do an unbagging. I just had a quick peek at it at the mall, but I wanted to kind of share this with you. I think it's a new pattern for us. But let's check it out. So I'm gonna take you down here. All right. So we got some knives. Can you see that all right? Let me see if I can raise you up a little bit. Alright, sorry about that. Everything looks stable. We got some knives. Hear that? That's what it should sound like for hollow handles. Sometimes you get faked out, but generally, if you hear that little tink, those are hollow. And it is a new pattern for us. Let me show you on another one. So these go with the knives. My giant tote of knives. One more butter knife in here. Ooh, look at that pattern. That is pretty. It looks like it's tulips, or let's see, what's the back say? National Silverco. So I'll probably have to look that one up. But this is going to be a ring. It has to become a ring. And then this end, once we cut it off here, this end will become probably a feather because the way it's shaped. And the only thing wasted will be the shavings to cut it apart. That's how I like to do everything. So this guy goes in my ring pile. Let's see what we got here. Some soup spoons. Some sugar spoon. Small fork. This looks like not a full set, but they are all the same pattern. And these are nice and thin, really thin. So these will make really good rings or really, really light bracelets. We got some longer forks coming. Another soup spoon. There's the little guy. Big guy. Soup spoon. Lots of soup spoons. And one more of these. Alright, so pretty good. So this is our pattern. See if I can blank out the light a little bit. It's not super pretty, but it's nice and petite. It's gonna make a nice bracelet. So what do we have here? We have 4, so we have 2 bracelets. And I want to put these together. And you know what I might do? Because these guys are bigger. This would make a great pendant to go along with those. If I put it right about there, it'd be a nice pendant bracelet set. So I'm going to put these 3 together. And that's going to let me know I need to put them in this set. Just a little bit of black electrical tape. There's a set. May as well make another set, right? We don't sell a ton of sets, but they are nice to have on hand whenever we need them. Alright, so now we're down to these guys. So, 1, 2, 3, so here's 4 bracelets worth. I think I'm going to leave them all together. I have a bracelet day coming up, so I'll just make them all. And I'll do a pattern search on them later so that I can get a date. Alright, these guys are a little thicker. So, these are dogs for sure. And this, I guess they could be rings, but straight rings. So we do 2 over here, and we'll make this. They're too heavy for earrings. We'll make this a bracelet. So bracelet. This little guy has a cute little pattern on it. What I do a lot with these is I'll cut out right along the rose or the flowers, and I'll make this into a pendant, a little petite pendant, so it would be about that long. So this will get classified over there. The soup spoons, there is 2, 4, 5. These are too heavy for earrings. So we're just going to tape them up and put them in the sets that are taped. And we'll save them for later. Alright. Alright, so we got some save for later. We got a pendant, some bracelets, more bracelet, 1 set, 2 set, and 3 rings. 3 rings? Yeah, 3 rings. So I just wanted to show you guys that. If you have unwanted silverware and want to donate them or trade them for jewelry, we are always up for that. We can never have enough silverware, so whenever we get the chance, we always get the silverware any way we can. We use every piece. Actually, my bucket is about full now for scraps, but I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.